Good day, Ma'am and Sir. My name is Palacos Jonaline Gambi. I am 34 years old. My height is 153 centimeters. I do not have any long-term medication or maintenance. I do not have any history of serious illness and disease. I have one big tattoo on my right arm. I have food allergy in shrimp. I am married and have one child. I am college graduate with a degree of Bachelor of Science in Associate of Computer Science, and I have a TESDA and C2 massage therapist. I do not have any experience in Hong Kong, but I have work experience as a housemaid in the Philippines from year 2022 to 2026. My duties are take care of children. I do house cleaning, laundry, ironing, cooking, marketing, and take care of pets, two big dogs and three cats. My preferred four-wheeling duties are taking care of newborn baby, children 1 year old above, healthy and disabled grandma and grandpa, taking care of cats, big and small dogs, cooking. I am willing to learn how to cook Chinese food and other dishes, gardening, car, washing, marketing, house cleaning, laundry clothes, and ironing clothes. I share work with Filipinos maid and I'm willing to share a room if I don't have any own servant room. I can sing lullaby or nursery song like Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. I want to work in Hong Kong to save money for the schooling of my child. I hope, Mom and Sir, you will hire me. Thank you.